What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Angie. I am back with another video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button by turning that notification, by hitting that bell. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please give a big thumbs up. Lego extra read by the title. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. The link is down in the description down below. I hope you all have an amazing and safe day. Guys, I'm about to act Ratchet to get you guys' reaction. Let's jump right into the video. What up, y'all? What's up? What up, y'all? What up, what up, what up, what up? Woo. What up? What's up, guys? What up, what up, woo, what up, what My name is Moquisha. What up, y'all? My name is Moquisha. My name is Moquisha. Y'all like my shoe? Y'all like my shoe? My name is Moquisha. What's up, guys? What up, guys? Child's hard out. Open this. This child's open this. This. Woo. Oh, look at my hair. What up, what up? Look at my hair. It's banging. Ooh. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. What up, y'all? Uh-oh. What's up, y'all? Look at your girl. Look at your girl. Look at your Moquisha. What up, y'all? What up? It's Ratchet. Oh, what up? What up, y'all? Child, look at this girl hair. Oh, look at this girl. Oh, look at my hair. Yeah, child. Just went to the beauty salon, guy. Child, look what they did to my hair. This banging girl. Look at my hair. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at my makeup, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at the child. Look at this hair, honey. This hair is banging, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What? You know what I'm saying? The girl is banging, man. Look at this hair, honey. Yes, man. Look at that. Look at this. Look at my beautician did my hair, y'all. Y'all like this? This is banging. Ooh, what, child? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Child. Ooh. I got it going on, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that hair. Oh. Child, look at my makeup. Oh. Oh, look at that. Look at my hair, dude. Look at my nice little hair, dude. Oh, yes. Woo! Y'all like my new hairdo? Child, look at that. Look at that. I ain't been shaving. Child, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, ooh. Child. Look at look at the girl, look at your look at your girl, huh? Look at my hair, guy. What? 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 Ooh! What? Ooh! What? Ooh! What? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I said, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I said, what's up? What's up? Oh, what's up? What's up? Oh, what's up? Look at that. Look at that. Y'all wanna see my new shoes? Look at my new shoes. Let me show y'all my new shoes, guys. Y'all like my new shoes? Your girl got her new shoes on. Look at my new shoes. Ooh. That girl stepping out. Look at these new shoes. Look at my new shoes, guys. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Okay. Y'all already know. Okay. This girl hair is banging, child. It's banging. Ooh, what? What? Period. What? Period. Yeah, my name is Marquisha. Yeah, man. Oh. Yeah, girl. The girl gonna be stepping out tonight. I'm gonna be stepping out tonight. What? Stepping out, girl. Got my new hairdo. What? I got my new hairdo. Okay? Y'all like my new hairdo? My hair is on fleek. What? Look at my makeup, y'all. Y'all like my makeup? What? This girl gonna be stepping out tonight. What? Look at that. Look at that. Your girl ain't been shaving. Look at that. What? I need to shave all that. What? Stepping out club. Whoop. Stepping out what? What? Okay. Y'all can this girl got a nice new hairdo. What? Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that new hairdo, guys. Y'all see the back of that? Y'all see the back of that? That girl hooked me up. She hooked me up, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying? This girl hooked me up, child. She only charged me $120. $120 for this new hairdo. What? Ooh, child, look at that. Y'all like my little new mole? Okay. What? Oh, wait, oh, what? Okay. Moquisha. My name is Moquisha, y'all. Moquisha. My name is Moquisha, guys. Okay? Okay. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, I can't wait to step out, y'all. I can't wait to step out later on. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Woo. Look at that new hairdo. Look at that. Look at that, child. Oh, look at that. Look at that. A girl got it going on. Okay. Girl got it going on. What's up? What up? Ooh, child. Look at that girl. Look at that girl. New hairdo. Okay. Okay. What? Okay. What? Okay. Oh, what? What? What time it is? It's a baby. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Oh, okay. Child, look at this. Y'all gotta. You can even put in like you can even braid this bad boy, man. I still look good, honey. What? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that hairdo. Look at my hairdo, guy. What in the world? What in the neighborhood? What in the name of love? In the name of love. What? What? Y'all like my new look at these oh look at these glasses. Okay. Yeah, child. Look at this new hairdo. This girl got it going on. Ooh, look at that. Y'all can't tell me nothing, boy. Look at this hairdo. I ain't paid but $120 for this hairdo. What? Look at that. This girl hooked me up. What? Look at that. Your girl got to go. I'm out, guys. Peace.